Okay, the construction instructions for this are going to be identical to what we just did, with the exception of one word, and that word is we're changing the word diameter to chord. Okay, so if you want to construct a perpendicular through a point that's not on a line, you're still going to start with the same first step. Place the compass tip on your given point, and you're going to construct a circle. Okay, so I place my compass tip on B. I'm going to construct a circle. You do want to make sure that the circle passes through your given line in two places, because what you're looking to do right here is you're looking to determine a chord. So this is more generic. Now it's not necessarily a diameter, and now it's a chord. Okay, and so if I highlight the chord that I've designated right here, okay, that is the chord that I created from this circle. Okay, and then the second step, just like, or very similar to what we did in the last construction, you're simply going to construct a perpendicular bisector. Of this chord. And so in this particular construction, you don't even need to change your compass setting. If you keep the compass setting the same, what should happen is that one set of intersecting arcs on this perpendicular bisector should pass through the original point, or the center of our circle. And so when I complete this perpendicular bisector and I draw my line connecting those intersections, that line will be perpendicular to my original line. So now I can see that this is perpendicular. And I've completed my construction. So once again, it's the exact same steps. The only difference is I changed the word diameter to chord. Okay, and it still works. It's the same construction. So even though I have them designated as two different things, the instructions for this one right here, through a point not on a line, will also work for construction of a perpendicular through a point on the line, right? Because a diameter is also considered a chord. So if I want to construct a perpendicular through this given point, this purple point here, I'm going to place my compass tip on the given point. I'm going to create a circle that passes through my given line in two places. And the whole idea, the whole point of this is we want to designate or determine this as a chord. So I can place my compass tip on each of the endpoints of that chord, and I'm going to construct a circle, or an arc. Again, notice I didn't change my compass setting at all. By not doing that, one of the intersections should be my original point. And when I complete my arc, I see that that's true. Again, it gives me confidence that I'm doing it right. Construct a perpendicular. So connect these two arc side intersections here. And when I do, I create my perpendicular through that original given point.